What's up everybody, welcome to another video. Been a good while since I've been fishing. It's about a month since I've managed to get out, and I'm finally out with my buddy Zaid again, and we are at Roodekoopies, as you can see, with the green water, but we're hoping to get some lekker fishies. The weather is pretty cool. It's overcast. It was raining the whole drive here, but so far it's not raining. We might get some rain. We probably will get some rain. We're most definitely gonna get some rain. Oh no, I don't think so. No, I think we'll get wet. I think we'll get wet. But yeah, I think we might find some good fish in this type of weather. I love actually fishing in weather like this. So let's see how it goes, and keep watching. Sweet! On. Yep.
Shit, my drags
completely. It's those little guys.
Yeah.
What are you on?
Jerkbait.
Yeah. The way that it hits my frog, it definitely will take the jerkbait a lot. Yeah. That's 3 for 3.
Yeah. Yeah, but dude, this is
not the ones you want. So that's the thing with jerkbait. You have to now go through those
to get to that monster.
Big one.
There's a better one. No.
Tons of these little buggers, you know. Feel better or? Oh.
No.
Oh, no.
No, there's still a change. Probably the biggest one.
Yeah, that's the biggest. What's those for? Yeah, it's top water. It's a small one, but he's down. Oh, it's so fun. That was so cool. Ah! No! Oh. That was a nice size. Definitely like that. The frog should work, especially if the bigger ones are around here. Throw that frog in. You know, when it's raining like this, they're eating all those bugs that have now landed on the water, you know? And maybe putting a bigger jerkbait, like a bigger profile.
Bigger one, yeah. But there's still a swipe that it is.
No, yeah.
Right. That a big one?
No. You can't, huh? Look at it, eh? Little box. Oh, I need to spec mine. Little guy. Oh, that didn't that small. Yes, that's a good fish. That's a good fish.
Yeah, that's a good fish. This is a good fish, don't I? That's a very good fish.
It looked big. The way it came out at it, you know?
Was that a bass though?
No.
Doesn't look like like a bit.
Not coming up, so maybe, I don't know, the way it bellied like it is the best. Has to be. Come here, baby. Where are we?
Yeah, ooh, nice one.
Told you, bro, this fence line thing.
Yeah, baby. Come on. Come on. Yes.
Well done.
Yes, please. Oh, Zara's spook, man. So nice fish. Not a bad one.
Yo, the way it looked the first time when it missed it.
Like 3 times it went for it, eh?
Oh man, why didn't it go for my frog? Yes, nice dude, well done.
There's a better one.
What the? Zaid.
Get the net quickly. Don't jump, don't jump, don't jump.
Holy moly, Zaid. You're on a roll, dude. 2021. Oh, it's gonna jump. Where is he? Swimming away.
Don't jump, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. Do not jump, do not jump. Do not jump, do not jump. Do not jump, please. Please don't jump, baby, don't jump, don't jump. Yeah, no, no. No, come to the front, man. Come this way. Come this way. Yes, baby!
You're on a roll, man.
Yeah, man, look at that! Look at that, guys.
What a battle,
Oh, what a fight with this. This fluke. Jeez, she was going nowhere.
Yeah, that's why he was staying on for so long.
Yeah. Can I just get some pictures there, please?
Yeah, no, cool. Holy moly, yes, you are on a roll with your picture. 2.1. Come on. 2.16. 2.16.
Okay. Come in, baby. Camera at the back. Yes!